project is predicting the excitement at donorschoose.org, and so actually this project comes from the Kaggle test. So the first step, you should get the data from the Kaggle.com. As Kaggle.com, KDDCAP 2014 predicting excitement at DonorsChoose. And you should download all those data files, and and second step is to download our codes in this repository in the GitHub. And then because we use Python and R, so we suggest you to download R if you haven't downloaded. You can download it in rproject.org, and R is also free. So after downloading and set up the R, we can start our project. The first, you need to put all the data files and the code you have downloaded in the first directory. So for me, I just put all the data files like donor assay, outcomes, resources, projects in the same file called big data, and also the files, the Python files and the R files in our GitHub. And after that, we'll go into the terminal and go into the directory big data. After that, we can start to running the code python processing.py. This file is actually a file to make some pre-processing. We need to get a history of some teachers and schools, like to see how many projects that school has produced, how many exciting projects a school has produced, and also how many interesting project a teacher has produced. So those kind of schools and teachers might be more likely to generate the interesting and exciting projects. And it will take a long time, maybe several hours to run the code. So we'll just assume that it already finished. So after finishing, you will find several data files in the directory, like get donors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Those 13 files contain the features that we extract from the data files. And after getting those files, we can start to run our code, which contains the training, the model, the classification model, to get the predict of whether a project is exciting. So let's assume that we just finish it and we will start to run our code. The first step, you should check where is our script. So for me, it's in user bin our script. And so I will enter into the same directory as the data file and big data into the file, and then I need to run the R code script model the R. So it start to run, and after it finishes, it will generate our result, which is the file predicting out.csv. So we can just look at the result. It contains two columns. The first column is the project ID, and the second column its probability that the project is exciting. So as we get this result, we will know that what kind of projects and will be more likely to make people exciting, so that they will be more likely to get the donations from the potential donors. So in this way, we will help the website to improve the user experience, and the user will also be easily to find some interesting project, and those projects will be more likely to get the more fund and also help more students. So that's our project. Thank you.